Hi.
Hello.
We're going home today.
This is our brand new little baby boy.
Hey, Tristan.
Little
That's
Tristan.
a big pacifier for such a little baby.
Yeah? Let's see what happens when we take it out.
That's just torture daddy. Oh,
Look at that
hey,
cute
sweet
little
baby.
face. Oh, goodness.
Put it back in. Put it back in. Oh, he got over it. Are you happy?
Oh, yeah.
See everything you thought you would be?
So cute. So cute.
We love you, Tristan.
Yes, we do.
Get
We
to
love
go
you
home.
a lot.
So sweet. Are you messing with my nose, Daddy?
A little fuzz on it.
So perfect in every way.
Yes, he is.